Hello everyone, my name is Salwa Salsabila Arafa. Here I would like to give my opinion smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking on campus is very disturbing to other students who don't smoke. Starting from unpleasant smell, cigarette butts scatter on the floor, it creates an unhealthy environment.
Hello everyone, here I want to explain some question words. Let's get to know me first. This is my profile. My name is Salwa Salsabila Arafa. I am class 91040 from the Information Study Program with the NIM 19242275. Let's move on the material. Next, WH. Nearly all question words in English start with the same two letters WH. That's why question words are also called WH question. Next, use. We use the question word when we want to get specific or more information. They are different than yes or no question. We have the next question word. Who, what, where, which, why, how, what time, was, when. Who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Who is person? Example, question. Who is that? Answer, my friend Rara. Next, what. We use what when we want to ask about things, animals, and action. What things or an action? Example question. What is your favorite sport? Answer is basketball. Next, where. We use where when we want to ask about place. Where is a place? Example question. Where are you from? Answer, I am from Bekasi. Next, when. We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. When is a time? Example question, when do you relax? Answer, at the weekend. Next, what time? We use what time when we want to ask about our hour. Example question, what time do you finish work? Answer, at 5:30 in the morning. Next, which. We use which when we want to ask about choice or preference. Example question, which is your apple? Answer, the red one. Next, why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. Example question, why are you late? Answer, because I missed the bus. When we answer a question with why, we always begin with because. Was. We use was when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Example question, whose are the keys? Answer, they mine. Next, how. We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Example question, how are things at work? Answer, boring, yes, usual. Next, how. With how, there are a number of other expressions that are used in question. How old, how much, how many, how often, how far, how long. Next, how old. We use how old when we want to ask about age. Example question, how old are you? Answer, 24. Next, how much or money. We use how much or money when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. Example question, how much milk do you drink? Answer, I drink only 1 glass. We use much with uncountable nouns and money with countable nouns. Next, how often. We use how often when we want to ask about frequency. Example question: how often does he study? Answer: he studies every day. Next, how far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Example question: how far is it from Bekasi to Malang? Answer: it's 800 kilometers to Malang. Next, how long? We use how long when we want to ask about length or duration. How long is the movie? Answer: the movie is 90 minutes long. Next, that's all the explanation from me. Thank you.